Breathe in, breathe out. Smile. It's too hard.
Hey! 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 You can't keep sitting there. We need to go. You need to move on. I can't live it. This is my whole life. This is who I am. This car won't take you anywhere. This car can't protect you. This is my experience. Just get over it.
Sometimes we feel like part of us is crushed and it's part of who we are now. Our failures, our distractions, our anxiety, trauma, depressions, or life difficulties. And sometimes we feel like it gives us validation or it protects us from something. It doesn't matter what stage of life you are in. It doesn't matter if you lost control or someone else lost control and hit you. I assure you that this kind of car will not take you to your destination. You have to let go. You have to put it behind you. This also applies to you that feels like you don't have anything that crashed into your life. But what are you holding on to that is not helping you move? What are you holding on to that is not helping you go to the next level? I want to tell you this today. Let go of the past, thing that clings onto you and gives you hurt every time you think about it. That thing that is so negative in your life. Let it go and focus on Jesus. In Matthew chapter 14, verse 22 to 33, we see Jesus walking on water. And when Peter saw him, he asked to join him. And Jesus said, "Come." Peter also walked on water. Before becoming a disciple, Peter was a fisherman. He knew that wind could mean storm. He knew that wind could mean shaking or distress. When he felt the wind blowing, he went back to his past and looked at maybe some bad experiences that the wind caused, and he lost his focus on Jesus and he started sinking. You have to let it go. Let the pain go. Let the loss go. Let that hope go. Isaiah chapter 43 verse 18 to 19 says, "Forget all former things. Do not dwell in the past. See, I'm doing a new thing. Now it springs up. Do you not perceive it? I'm making the way in the wilderness and streams in the wasteland. Today, leave it all behind and move on."
Aren't you hungry? I'm starving.
Thank you so much. Have a blessed week. I'll see you next week on Tuesday. Have a great one. Bye.